The looped running stitch is a beautiful variation of the otherwise simple running stitch. It is a lovely stitch to use to create laced effect on edges and sides of your project. You can also use it creatively to fill a bigger space. Begin by making a row of evenly spaced running stitches. I'm using the sewing method to make my row. Now bring out a thread, preferably in another color, and start from one end of the row. Go under the second stitching from the top to turn and go under the first stitch. This creates a loop. Go under the third stitch, turn, and come from under the second one. Keep making loops like this. Ensure not to plug the fabric under the stitches. I'm using the blunt side of the needle to make life easier. Each running stitch will hold the threads for 2 loops. Let me know if you like this stitch. I'm Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery Tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our bookstore with ebooks for learners at different levels. The link is given in the description.